CEC Upstate. Thank you everybody for coming to this episode of CEC Updates. Today we're going to be looking at this Pete the Repeat Parrot. He repeats what you say. Let's try him. Hello. Hello. Like that. He's from I'm from 1991. He only records for 3 seconds. Yellow. I'm Pete. He's removable of the stand. He has a plastic beak. He's from 1991. He's pretty old. You can see his mechanisms in there. You can hang him from the ceiling if you really wanted to. Or just put him on a stand like I do. He's able to spin. His tail is an on and off switch right there. His feet are not attached to the bird, which I find it really weird looking and funny. And this really reminds me of so there's this bird animatronic at my local Chuck E. Cheese when I was a little kid, and on the stage called the Studio C, and there was an animatronic bird, and his name was Bird. He kind of reminds me of this. He has blue hair. His feathers are red, blue, green, and his wings pretty fluffy. Has a tail that are the same colors. I'm not sure what these things are. I think for some versions of this bird, there's a button right there that you can press it, and it does stuff. I'm not sure what it does. Looks like he has big mouth Billy Bass eyes, and I'll show him again. Yellow. Hi. Hello. CEC Upstate. I'm old. I'm really old. I'm from 1991. So thank you everybody for coming to this episode of CEC Updates. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye. This has been brought to you by CEC Upstate.